Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making sweet and tangy barbecue fried meatballs. These meatballs are tried and true appetizer recipe of mine. I've been making this recipe for years. Sometimes I'll use grape jelly, which is my favorite dish. So let's get started, guys. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So let's get right into the ingredients. You will need a ground beef, onion, eggs, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt, white pepper, and breadcrumbs. So let's get started. Combine ground beef with onions along with eggs, add cayenne pepper, garlic powder, add black pepper, add some salt, add white pepper along with breadcrumbs and all-purpose flour. My hands are washed. Then I'm gonna mix everything together. Do not overmix, otherwise your meatballs will become tough. Form meatballs about 3 inches across, but you can make them any size you want. Roll the meatballs in your hands. Roll it in the flour to give it a good coating. Set each one on a baking sheet as you work. When all meatballs are formed, heat oil in a large saucepan over medium-high heat. Then fry your meatballs. Make sure, guys, you don't overcrowd them. Deep fry them for 5 minutes. The meatballs are done when they cook through and register 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The meatballs are done. Place them on a paper towel to absorb oil. Now we're gonna toss the meatballs into hot barbecue sauce. Guys, if you'd like to know how I made my barbecue sauce, please go check out my barbecue wings video for the barbecue recipe. I will leave the link down below in the description box. There you have it, guys. Sweet and tangy barbecue fried meatballs. They are sweet, crispy on the outside, tender and juicy in the inside. They are simple, so savory, comforting, warm, and delicious. I hope you try this recipe, guys. And if you do, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Share this video with your friends and your family. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. And please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey.